Welcome friends in this module. So in this module we can learn how to set up Apache and MySQL because we need to host our website, so we need some programs which can run our website, which can run. We need also database also, and we need to also render the HTML file also, the PHP file. So we need to install these two programs, Apache and MySQL. So if you don't have Apache, you can simply type this command apt-get install apache 2 for installing Apache program. And for running Apache you can need to enter this command service space apache 2 space start. So this command will start our Apache server. And also, if your website has database, you need to install MySQL server on your system. So for installing MySQL server, you need to type this command apt-get install MySQL. And for running the MySQL, you need to type this command service space MySQL space start. So this command will run your Apache server and MySQL server in which you can host your website. So let's demonstrate.